Facts about the Dragon Treasure Castle. Location. The Dragon Treasure Castle is located at Jade Street, Irisville Subdivision, Upper Irisan, Baguio City. Soft opening. The castle had its soft opening last February 10, 2025. Features. The castle is a medieval-inspired structure with limestone walls and towers, offering scenic views of the surrounding mountains and the Sea of Clouds. It also features a preserved natural limestone formation called the Kissing Rock. Entrance fees. For regular ticket, we have 165. PWD, senior citizens, toddlers with valid ID, 132 pesos. Babies under 1 year old, free. For parking fees, buses, they charge 100 pesos. Private vehicles, 50 pesos. Motorcycles, 30 pesos. The Dragon Treasure Castle is a unique and visually stunning addition to Baguio City's tourist attractions. Its medieval-inspired architecture and scenic location make it a must-visit for both local and foreign tourists. Instagram worthy. The castle offers numerous photo opportunities with its grand architecture, scenic views, and unique features like the Kissing Rock. It's a perfect place for those who love to take pictures and share them on social media. Family friendly. With its affordable entrance fees and attractions suitable for all ages, the Dragon Treasure Castle is a great place to visit with family and friends. Potential for crowds. As a new and popular attraction, the Dragon Treasure Castle may get crowded, especially during peak season. Visitors are advised to plan their trip accordingly and arrive early to avoid long queues. Accessibility. While the castle is accessible by public transportation, some visitors may find it more convenient to travel by private vehicle. Parking space may also be limited, especially during peak hours. Overall, the Dragon Treasure Castle is a promising new tourist attraction in Baguio City. Its unique features, scenic location, and affordable entrance fees make it a must-visit for anyone traveling to the City of Pines. However, visitors should also be prepared for potential crowds and limited parking space. Tai Chi is a fascinating practice with a rich history and numerous potential benefits. Here are some facts and opinions about it. Ancient origins. Tai Chi originated in China centuries ago, evolving from martial arts into a form of exercise and meditation. Gentle movements. It involves slow, gentle and flowing movements that require minimal stress on muscles and joints. Mind-body connection. Tai Chi emphasizes the integration of physical movement, deep breathing, and focused mindfulness. Various styles. There are different styles of Tai Chi, each with its own emphasis and techniques. Accessibility. Tai Chi is generally considered safe for people of all ages and fitness levels. Opinions. Health benefits. Many people believe that Tai Chi can improve balance, flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health. Some also find it helpful for stress reduction, pain management, and mental well-being. Effectiveness. While many anecdotal reports and some studies suggest health benefits, more rigorous scientific research is needed to fully understand and confirm the effectiveness of Tai Chi for various health conditions. Enjoyment. Many practitioners find Tai Chi to be an enjoyable and relaxing activity that promotes a sense of calm and well-being. Spiritual aspect. Some people view Tai Chi as a spiritual practice that helps them connect with their inner selves and the natural world. Overall, Tai Chi is a unique and valuable practice that combines physical exercise, mental focus, and mindfulness. Whether you are interested in its potential health benefits, its meditative qualities, or its martial arts origins, Tai Chi offers something for everyone.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.